All right, here we have the Wardwell wire harness braiding machine. This is a 64 carrier machine, so it's on the larger side, so it can over braid 1.5 inch wire harness and larger. So there are 64 carriers inside. Open this up. And this has the optional capstan for winding up the harness. And then that capstan will be controlled by the pendant controller over here, and you can set the pitch and the relationship between the speed of the capstan and the carriers inside. So we'll turn it on here, and then we can watch the carriers move, and there's a variable speed foot pedal right here. Go a little faster. The capstan is moving,